This is the Mercedes-Benz GLE, and before you reset the tire pressure, you need to make sure the tire pressure is within the specified range. And the range is given here. In most cases, you have the sticker, and it gives you the sizes. Pay attention that the R19, the smallest wheels, will have the highest recommended tire pressure. So pay attention to these recommendations, and then make sure that your wheels have the proper tire pressure. And then when you're done, you need to go to this menu. First of all, let's turn it off in order to show you all the process. So turn on the accessory mode without pressing the gas pedal. Press the start button. So in accessory mode, you have access to this menu. You need to find the service tab, then press OK, then move to tires, and then it says tire pressure monitors only available when the ignition is on. So to turn on ignition, you need to press this button again without pressing the gas pedal. Now the ignition is on, and the tire pressure will be displayed after a few minutes of driving, but we don't need that. We need to move down, and here you have use current pressures as a new reference value, and this is what you want to use. So you press OK, and this is how you reset the tire pressure in your vehicle, and the vehicle will remember the current tire pressure as the correct one. But if it's out of the specified range that is given on that gas door, it still is going to show you this tire pressure warning light after several kilometers or several miles of driving. Also, in some other vehicles, you may have this sticker here on the door jamb instead of the gas cap. This is how you reset the tires in your Mercedes-Benz GLE W167.